USA. All worldwide come together. Yeah? I will first of all, I will introduce the prayer title. The title. Then I tell you, I say so. Yeah, let me first introduce the title. And the title says, Chukwu, Chukwu the higher energy. Chukwu Special General 2233 dark all night. Ọrụ ezinụlọ. Ọrụ ezi na ụlọ. Family, all families worldwide, generation ancestors. I call all that family. Family, technologies, energies stand up. Like all problems in all families, out and uplift all families worldwide, in their family house, in their foundation, in their roots, where they began, the history of their family, their generation, from their ancestry, from the ancient time and the present time, and continue moving forward to liberate all families and stand them up. All the problems, the challenges, both physical and spiritual problems in the families, to take them out and uplift all families. Then transfer copy all my prayer, the copy to all families worldwide. They are all about the prayer. And remember, I always told you guys, all you see me do, you have your own power in you too. You have your Trinity to pray, and they manifest immediately, have instant effect and manifest immediately. Remember I told you, say, whatever you want to use to welcome them in your body or nothing, just speak them and say, all my power. You say, I welcome my power, authorities, manifestation. My power, authorities, manifestation, Trinity, into my body, foundation, science, and technology. You just say your body. That's the first. Then they can be in your body. You can move around with them. Then you can say, I welcome them into my phone. I welcome them into my team. I welcome them here, we are playing. I welcome them here in our fan base. All places you want to welcome them, you welcome them there. Welcome them on my phone, on my laptop, in my room, in my office, on my desk, on my seat, in my computer. Wherever I want to welcome them. In your car, driving. In your foundation, science, and technologies. In Igbo, you say, I welcome my Ikike, Ile, Ike, power, Ikike, authority, Ile, like Ile, manifestation, to manifest into my body. Any place you want to welcome them, you welcome them there. Eye opening. Then let's go to the prayer. And the prayer says, all is in like a family liberation, and stand all families up. There are so many diseases going on. And some disease, diabetes, cancer, different kind of disease. And they always say they run in the family. This they say mental disorder run in this family. This kind of disease, sickness runs in this family. It is in their DNA, in their history, the family history, their ancestry. It runs in the family in a different kind of problems. But I open your eye today to understand more. The reason I always tell you guys, the solution must be two. The solution must be two. Physical solution and the spiritual side, the spiritual solution. Then they balance, they become two. Physical and spiritual, they balance. Male and female, they balance. But when you are only basically on physical, you have no interest in the spiritual side. You are making yourself look like a liar, false and fake, empty entity, Osaka, same with evil spirits. You are making yourself same. But when you apply two, you balance, male and female. the way nature made it, physical and spiritual. And some are there, all they do the physical side. And when you ask them more about the spiritual side to apply, and some of them are there saying, we do not believe in what we cannot see with our physical eye. We know, and that's false. And some are going around because they say no to the spiritual side. They are going around hunting for all that see and hear. All they see, do you see things or hear things that are not there, that are unseen? When you say yes, they diagnose you with mental disorder. But sometimes most of the human you are diagnosing with mental disorder, holding them hostage. All the solution to all your problems you have been researching in years, you don't know most of the solution. The idea they give you helps you solve many problems in your country and your foundation, but you continue to hold the person down in the name of mental disorder, delusion, and knocked out of reality world. You're lazy, you don't want to help yourself, then remain there holding the person hostage. Then you don't know that you are indirectly stabbing yourself, blocking yourselves, and you all are now the enemy to yourself. But you are there hunting for outside enemy, foreign enemy. But you yourself, you guys are the real enemy to yourself. The solution must be two, male and female. Then let me pray now. In our family, let's begin. All kind of negativities in all families worldwide, in their history, where their family began, in the ancient time and in the present time, in their homes, in their foundation, all cause spell there. Agwo, agwo, cause spell made cause spell, spoken, known and unknown, outside are brought in, their ancestors, their generation, dwell in, using them against others. Now the generation that use this gospel, because this gospel, they promise them anytime they must kill somebody. Now most of them gone. This gospel nowhere to be found. But that energy, the negativities are there. Then turning around now, all their ancestors, all that transpired in ancient time, now turn against the family, going against them, bringing all kind of disease, sickness, and digging pits in all family generation ancestors. A pit of disease, pit of accident, pit of different kind of disease, inherited problem, inherited mental disorder, different kind of disease. And all the secret hidden mental disorder, spirits there, hidden in families, generation ancestors, causing mental disorder, hidden there, and all the problems there. To destroy and turn all of them upside down. I use the foundation there, the ancient time and the present time. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitaculars, male dog, okay nkita, male dogs, okay obago, utinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby powders, cosmetic soaps, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And all family generation ancestors and their history. They are reincarnators from their ancestors, from their family, their generation. In their ancestry, in any hostage, in the spiritual realm, held captive, held hostage inside pits. To pull them out, I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors. Pull all out from all hostage and all pits. Then use them, pull them out and free them. Then use all the animals and this, all the pits, negative pits, dog, onunu, egu, all the onunu, the pits, negative pits, in our families, causing problems, inherited disease, inherited this, inherited that, all kind of inherited negativities running in families, generation, ancestors. Then I use them, cover all the pits, then level all the floor, bulana, level all the floor, wipe out all shame, butcher yellow, yeah, then pull out all arrows, negativities, inherited problem, short in all families, generation ancestors, there, arrows of sudden death, arrows of negativities, arrows of inherited disease, sickness, kind of inherited negativities, use them, pull them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and free all family, generation ancestors worldwide. Then all the negativities there, the mental disorder, all of them, we already destroy their foundation. Then to cover them, to free cover, then all families free. I use black trash bags, plastic bags, wakele, black blankets, aquaji, cover all of them, the negativities and the negative energies there. Cover all of them. Put them in basket, tie them in basket, tie them, chain them, blind them, block them, bury all of them, wipe them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and all kind of sudden deaths, roaming against all families, generation, ancestors, kind of all sudden death, disease, in body, in any place, to take them out, 247 unlimited. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, burning incense, burning sage. Take them out, cast them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And all families block in any way. They build physical and spiritual giant walls. Block them from moving forward, from moving to the next level. To unblock all families. And free them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colas, Otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okabago, baby spiders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy all the walls, demolish them, pull them down, unblock all families and move all families, generation, ancestors worldwide, forward. Then all my prayer past in the present, in the future, all the good energies, and all the Okuku Calabash energies are totally of our power, authorities, manifestation, Chukwu and Ndoti, all families, all worldwide chi, Arab Nagu, Ikenga, Okike, Ojije and Onina energies, all Agua Arab Nagu, Aqua, Ikenga, Arab Nagu, all the Okuku, all the Asian powers, good powers, and present, come together, Chukwu and Ndoti, all the justice, all the authorities, power, authorities, manifestation, healing, moving forward, healing herbs, healing energies, transfer to all families worldwide, family, generation, ancestors, transfer to them, and wherever their family members are, transfer to them, and prayer transfer to them. Then, final, all families worldwide from the history of their ancestors, their generation, and the present, all their dead family member from their generation, ancestors, to bury all according to tradition. I use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33, 22, 33 color nuts, drinks, wine, and put all the requirements, and you can get all 22, 33, you can get mother goat fine, put them, use them, bury all according to tradition. Use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked, 33 bitter colas, burning incense, burning sage, free all their dead, all family, they are dead, from all blindness and all hostage in the spiritual realm, all blindness, all isiagu, goddess blindness, isimwa, spirit blindness, free them, and also use them, free all families, generation, ancestors, from all physical, isiagu, goddess blindness, isimwa, spirit blindness, and all kind of eye problem, eye disease they are going through. Free them, the spiritual side, free all, and free all from all families about to come into the world. Free them from being born blind. Free them and take this isiagu, goddess blindness, isimwa, spirit blindness. Take them out from all families, cast them out, and all they are dead, all families, generation, ancestors. Rise, get up, move into house heaven, and reincarnate All come together, all worldwide come together and pray. We use male cow, female cow, rooster, sons, rams. You can't get mother goats. All 33, 22, 33 colonel drinks wine and prayer. All families, generation, ancestors worldwide. Eh? We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbits, asteroid, heaven, earth, earth, and all Obu and Mbuke transfer to all families. Welcome all families members. They are male into Obu house male, they are females into Mbuke house females like kitchen. We stand. Prayer transfer to all families, all countries worldwide. Transfer. Then headquarter. First of all, base here in USA NATO Science and Technologies. Other countries transfer to you guys. Transfer to my country, Nigeria. Transfer to all Igbo land, all Igbos worldwide. All Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, all foundation transfer to you guys. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good to welcome this prayer. Their energy, their healing energy, stand firm, moving forward, all their power, authorities, manifestation into our body foundation, science and technologies. So Maribi, Ishe, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. In conclusion, listen, give me your ear. Message to all, to the world and USA. All worldwide, stop waiting for a particular prophet or a prophetess to be born before your foundation, your country move forward. In our history, they prophesy to us a particular prophet, a particular prophetess from this family will be born in this year. Then he or she will move us forward. Then everybody is sitting there one place, sitting idle, sitting one place. That's it. Everybody waiting for that prophet to be born or to come and rescue them. I'm telling you, the energy you are waiting for, you have it in you. Remember, Jesus said, Emmanuel, in the scripture, I am the way, the truth, and life. Nobody goes to the Father except me. The other side meaning, the truth, the word truth, the word truth, that energy speaking through him, that energy, all human worldwide, you have that energy in you too. And when you abandon your own energy, like the truth, the real good side, the truth energy, you continue to struggle. You continue moving around, wandering around. Your country continue to have problem. That truth, the energy in you. And you have your trinity, your power, authorities, manifestation in you. You have it in Igbo, your Ike, Ikike, Ile. They are eye-opening. Stop waiting for a particular prophet to be born before you stand up and pray. Pray. Speak that word into the universe. And when you pray, you give your prayer title. After that, then you skyrocket them. You come together, skyrocket them worldwide. Stand them up on all land, all ocean, airspace. Skyrocket them any place you want to skyrocket them there. Up there. Skyrocket them. Then use whatever you want to use, water or that. Welcome all their healing into your body. I'm opening your eye to understand more. Stop waiting for a particular prophet, a particular prophetess to be born. Okay, this guy or this lady, and she's speaking about freedom. And she's powerful, and she's speaking, praying for everybody. Then you see everybody, the whole country following her. Then if that person goes down, that lady maybe got killed, then everybody go down. Then everybody now hostage. Because we are depending on one person. But when everybody rise up with their own power, praying, all these problems, all this nonsense, abuse, discrimination, problem, negativities, negative energies rising against humanity, all of them, we shut them down. Rise up. And in Bob Marley song, the Redemption song, when you go play that song, in Redemption song, He said, how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We must to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing? The word there. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look and watch what's going on? And some are saying, some say it's just a part of it. We must fulfill the book. Fulfill which book? And you are there stagnant. Fulfill which book? And all you guys are depending on one person. This man of God, everybody there, depending on them. If you want to pray, there, man of God. If you want to pray, there, woman of God. But you have your own energy in you. You refuse to make use of your own energy and pray. Then you depend on this person because he or she read all the theology book and memorized them and have them. Then using them to give you example. Then you are unable to memorize those things or the theology book. But you have the natural energy. Nature. They are natural and all are born with that energy. Nature. Stop waiting for a particular prophet, a particular brother or a sister, or a particular place. Any place you stay, you can pray and your prayer manifests. I gave you the secret. Any place you want to stay and pray. Whatever you want to use and pray. You hear about healing herbs and healing spices in the forest in that. You say, okay, these healing herbs, first of all, you say, I welcome my power, authorities, manifestation into my body. Then you are holding water. You say, with this water, all the healing herbs worldwide, healing spices, all their power, authorities, manifestation, and their healing. I use this water to welcome them into my body. I use this food to welcome them into my body. I use this fruit, this ring, to welcome into my body, heal all sin and unseen disease in my body, and free me and make me healthy. You see how you copy the technologies now and brought it to yourself. But you must be on the good side. Then the prayer work for you. But when you are dwelling in negativities, you are ready to kill everybody. Negative mind. Then when you summon this prayer, this energy, they abandon you. They won't. They refuse to help you. They refuse to come. I open your eye now. Stop waiting for a particular prophet, a prophetess. The energy in you, that truth in you. No one goes to the Father except through me. That energy in Emmanuel lamenting. You have that energy in you too. And the energy are lamenting too in you. You abandon them. You follow this person. All you do, follow them. But you are abandoning your own natural energy. Your power, authorities, manifestation. Forward. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA. All prayer and copy transfer to all for free. Forward.